Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Just a short video for you today. A little bit of shooting and playing with tannerite. Blowing up tree stumps. Ruger 1022 and the 100-year-old Deutsch 22. Ooh, that'll be a nice. Took the end right off that can. Nice. The one little piece hanging. Ooh. Hit the top of it.
Oh, I hit the side of it. Oh, I had my scope set too high. I definitely hit it in the middle.
Baby, look at what it did to that stump!
I blew the fucking pieces away.
Woo! Holy mother. That was a keeper. That sucker. Oh, that's nice wood, eh? That's what I
I've never seen one do that before.
I usually brew in
That
Jerry's.
is awesome, I'll tell you.
There's Dad
Holy shit.
and my brother. And a log for reference. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
Rimfire tannerite.
That'll work
On the end of the log.
Pack that in there really good. We got a white spot. That's where you want to hit dead on that sucker.
Right there. Bye-bye log.
Kaboom, baby.
GoPro, I hope you don't take a shit kicking. All right, guys. Good luck. Don't get blown up. Five feet of stump completely gone.
It was weird to hit out here.
Who doesn't like tannerite?
Look at this
Underneath.
Stuff. Look at this
That's the
stuff
question I have.
How sweet was that? Mother.
Those are awesome stuff, eh?
It was out to here.
Yeah.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tannerite debacle. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Everyone take care. Bye now. Okay. Son of a bitch.
Holy shit.
Hear the echo, guys?
Did she blow?
I'm just...
Well, no, did I blow it apart? I don't know. I don't think so.